A man accused of firing a sawed-off shotgun at his brother was back in court today. A judge set a June 29th trial date for Christopher Critchlow. In the meantime, his lawyer said he'll request that Critchlow's $10,000 bond be reduced. Terre Haute police arrested Critchlow on New Year's Day after shots were fired at a home on Beach Street. Police say this included shots fired at them by Critchlow. Critchlow's brother told police he and his brother were talking when Critchlow turned on him, firing shots. The brother was not hurt. Critchlow returns to court in April.